Hello everybody, a very good evening to one and present here. Today I would like to talk about water animals. Water animals are kind, they are not harmful our environment. We can harmful our environment, and they are the big ships are destroy and it all die of thousand animals and water animals, and the in the past amount of a large quantity, and some beautiful and big animal, in the present, but in the present we can see some big and beautiful animal. Shark is very dangerous animal. The dolphin is our national water animal, and the snake is water animal, but it what is known as it is not a water animal, and thank you.
Next, go very fast.
Hello everybody, today I would like to talk about the money. So without wasting time, I start my, here we go. Now this time we are living in 21st century and everybody is running behind the money, but now this, and everybody want to get more and more money in life, and everybody want to get more and more money, and how can we get more money, and how can we develop the status in our life. But now this time we forget it that the money can buy good bed, but money does not have power to give good sleep. Money can buy good luxurious house and good, but money doesn't have power to convert into it home. Money can buy the good clothes and branded clothes, but money doesn't have power to give the beauty and handsomeness. So leave some time for your family and give some time for spirituality, and give some time for society. Thank you.
Hello everybody, a very good evening to one and present here. Today I would like to talk my family, and today I would like to my family and hello everybody, a very good evening to one present here. Today I would like to my family. There are eight members, include the extended and lovely family. My grandfather name is Nandlal Patidar. He is a life experience, and my grandmother name is Santosh Patidar. She is God devotee, and my father name is Sanjay Patidar. He is my bank account, and my mother name is Rinku Patidar. My mother name is Rinku Patidar. She is a housewife, and my mother responsibly kitchen and especially house. And my sister name is Lavishka, Sneha and Nishta. And Lavishka study in class 7. Sneha is study in class 4th. Nishta is study in class 1st. Thank you.
You're wasting time. Why are you sitting there?
Hello everybody, a very good evening to one and all present here. I am Pooja Nag in front of you. I am going to tell you something about the Jhalawad. The name of my district is Jhalawad. Jhalawad is located in the Rajasthan. The city of the Jhalawad was founded by Jhala Jalim Singh, who was the then Diwan of the state. Jhalawad, it is the clean city, and there are many parks in the Jhalawad. Sun temple of the Jhalra Patan is situated in the center of the town, and township was surrounded with Danish forest and wild animals. And the Jhalawad has well developed education infrastructure. The Department of the primary education and the Department of the secondary education provide their services through the primary schools, middle schools, and secondary schools and senior secondary schools. Thank you.
Hello everybody, very good evening to one and all present here. Today I would like to talk about a short story. My story name is The Power of Respect. Once upon a time there was a small girl living there in a town. His name is Maya. He treated everyone with kindness and respect. He regardless age and age and their backstory. And one day he meted with a old man who always talked with rude with everybody. And one day he talking with him with kindness and respect, and after that old man changing his nature, and he talking with the people with kindness and respect. Thank you.
Go fast.
Hello everybody, a very good evening to one and all present here. Today I will talk about my family. There are 8 members in my extended and lovely family. I am so fortunate and lucky. I am so born and a wonderful family. So because it provides every needful thing on time and every member of my family loves me a lot. My grandfather name is Mr. Prabhulalji Dangi, was a 70-year-old. He is no more now, and my grandmother name is Mrs. Ramibai Dangi. He is 65 years old, and my father name is Mr. Kelaji Dangi. He is a well educated, always support me, is my bank, and my mother name is Mrs. Mohani Bai Dangi. Is 30-year-old and 30-year-old, and she is a housewife and many responsibilities of house, and I am the only son of my parents, and my elder sister name is Varsha, and she passed the 12th class and prepare BSTC, become a teacher.
Hello everybody, a very good evening to all present here. Pacific Ocean is the longest and Pacific Ocean is the largest. Pacific. What animals live in the Pacific Ocean? Antarctic and Pacific is third largest. Indian Ocean is India is a very salt. Indian Ocean is located eastern hemisphere, and the ocean cover 71% of surface earth, and the ocean floor in moving. And thank you.
Hello everybody, a very cheerful and pleasant day to one and all present here. Very first, thank you sir for calling me here to present myself. I am Govindangi. I live in a small but well educated and developed village named Maikidi nearby Pidava. But recently I living in Jalapatan for my educational purpose. I have passed class 12 from Government Senior Secondary School Goindpra in 2024. Presently I am doing spoken English from Patel's English classes. If I talk about my family, there are 4 members in my wonderful family. My father, Mr. Satyanarayan, is 40 years old. He is a farmer. But an active person. My father is my ATM because whenever I need money, he never denied. My mother, Mrs. Rupa Devi, is a housewife. He always motivates me. He loves me a lot. He takes care of me a lot. If I talk about my younger brother, his name is Karan Dangi. He studies in class 12th. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Sumit Sharma. I like to tell you some short story. Once upon a time there was a boy, this name is Tom. He is living in the small village with his family. Tom is a very curious boy and love to explore the world around him. Tom find a map, a mysterious map the map shows location of the hidden treasure. Tom decided to find the treasure. Tom started his journey. He works for hours and he reached the location of the marked on map. He find a cave. He enter the cave. Tom are not afford. He find a big room with a treasure chest. He open the chest. He find so many gold and jewelries. He was very happy. He decided to take some treasure to back to his home. He returned to his village. He give the treasure of his family. His family is very happy and proud him. The Tom famous, very famous in the village and loved everybody. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Deepak Patidar. My name is Deepak Patidar. A monkey on the cherry tree, a monkey on the cherry tree, river by the river. One day a crocodiles asked him, I am hungry, please give me something to eat. Please give me something to eat. The monkeys give him cherries. The monkey give him cherries every day. And a good friend, one day a crocodile took some for his wife too, she said, and sweet heart in the monkeys he puts and every day she frustrated her husband to get monkeys hurt. She gets monkeys hurt and friends invite and crocodiles invite and monkeys wife so lunch you and they we reached away river bank and the monkey climb up the tree and said he lost a friend. Thank you.
Hello everybody, very good afternoon. Once upon a time there was a two friends. One friend is a 9-year-old, two friend is 18-year-old, and one day is a go to farm and go to playing the well. And 18-year-old boy fell down in the well. 9-year-old boy in the shouted and please save my friend, but nobody was there. Please shout bucket and the robe and thank you.
Hello everybody, a very good evening. I will to present my introduction myself. My name is Sapna Bhatt. I live in Soetkala, nearby Jhalawad.